Hi everybody, going to give you an update on our showroom here on Saturday towards the end of September. We've got some tropical weather south of us that's headed our way next week, and so that's got some people thinking about windows and doors, and also have a lot of updates to show you here with our showroom. And so I thought it'd be a good time to make another video, make this one a little bit longer and talk to you about some of the reasons why HHI Windows and Doors is your Lowcountry favorite. Best of the Lowcountry Award, the gold medal winner for best window and door company in the Lowcountry. Thank you so much for those votes. So anyway, here we are in our vestibule. I'll turn around a little bit so you can see behind it coming in from the entry. And you can see some of the work that we've done. So all the clapboard is up for the siding, all the sheetrock is finished, and on the columns behind me will be a big western door. This door is glass. It's a pivot door, huge pivot door, and on either side we're going to have some really nice cherry doors from ProVia, and they'll have wrought iron accents and side lights as well as a transom. So really nice. So I'm going to take this opportunity to make my first point. Why choose HHI Windows and Doors? Well, obviously the showroom, okay? The chance to come in and see all the different brands and to experience them, to, proverbial kick the tires, get a feel for exactly what it is that you're getting, what's best for you. A lot of window manufacturers have reps that go out and do sales, and they represent only one product. So of course they're always going to tell you that their product's the best thing for you. Sometimes it might be. Sometimes they do have good products, but you can also swing and miss on that. So going somewhere where the company is really an advocate for you and not just representing one window manufacturer, that's a big reason why to choose us.